In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly buy TikTok coins using Google Play. Whether you want to support your favorite creators, unlock awesome gifts, or just enjoy some extra features on TikTok, buying coins is a great way to level up the experience. Before we get started, make sure you have a few things set up: a Google Play account with funds available, whether through your linked payment account, gift cards, or other Google Play balance, a TikTok account. Of course, you can't buy coins if you don't have an account. Once you've got both, you're ready to roll. All right, let's go step by step. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on three dots and go to settings. Scroll down and tap on balance. Now here you will see your current balance and options to add more. Now tap on recharge. On this page, you'll see several payment methods. Select Google Play as your payment option. Now, if you've got funds in your Google Play account, it will show up here as an available balance. Just enter the amount of TikTok coins you want to buy, then confirm the purchase. Once you've got your TikTok coins, it's time to use them. You can send virtual gifts during a live stream or purchase other premium features. You can also choose how much of coin you want to recharge, like this. Simply tap on recharge, and that's it. That's how you simply buy TikTok coins with Google Play and start enjoy all the perks of the TikTok platform.